Hello students, today in this lesson we are going to study about reported speech. Reported speech is how we represent the speech of other people to someone. There are two ways in which we can report the words of the speaker: direct speech and indirect speech. In direct speech, actual words of the speaker are used and they are enclosed in inverted commas. For example, he said to me, I am feeling unwell. Here, said is the reporting verb and I am feeling unwell is the reported speech. In indirect speech, the actual words of the speaker are transformed. For example, he told me that he was feeling unwell that day. Here, in the place of comma, we use a conjunction that, and the inverted commas are removed. Things you should know before learning how to convert direct speech into indirect speech. Students, you should know what is the subject and what is the object in a sentence. For example, Ram said to Sham. Here, Ram is the doer of the action. It is the subject. And Sham is the receiver of the action, which is the object. Then you should know about the first person, second person, and the third person pronouns. Students, first person is the speaker. The second person is the listener. And if the first person is talking to the second person about someone who is the third person and not present at the time of talking, is the third person. So you should learn the first person pronouns are I, we, me, us, my, mine, ours, our. And the second person are you, your, yours. Third person such as he, she, it, his, her, him, its. Then the third thing which you should know is about tenses. Tenses represent the time of action. There are three tenses: present tense, past tense, and the future tense. And all the three tenses are subdivided into few more tenses, and there are total 12 tenses. Students, there are four kinds of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentences. So in this video, we are going to learn how do we transform the assertive sentences from direct speech into indirect speech. So let's begin, students. Let us learn how to convert direct speech into indirect speech. First, we are learning how to transform the direct speech into indirect speech in case of assertive sentences. There are 6 important steps. The first important step is identify. You need to identify what is the subject, what is the object, what is the reporting verb, what are first person, second person, and third person pronouns, and the tense of the reporting speech. The second step is change of reporting verb. If the reporting verb is said to, then we will use told in the indirect speech. If the reporting verb is said, then you'll use said. The third step is to replace the comma and inverted comma with a conjunction that. The fourth step is change of pronouns. Students, the first person pronoun in reporting speech changes as per the subject of reporting verb. The second person pronoun in the reporting speech changes as per the object in the reporting verb. And the third person pronouns in reporting speech do not change. So there are 3 rules. The pronouns of the first person in reporting speech are changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. For example, he said to me, I have not got my sunglasses with me. Here you all know that said to is going to change into told. There are three pronouns in the reporting speech: I, my, and me. All the three pronouns are first person pronouns, and you all know that they are going to change as per the subject of the reporting verb, and the subject is he. So I will change into he, my will change into his, and me will change into him. And the sentence would be, he told me that he had not got his sunglasses with him. Rule 2. Pronoun of the second person in reporting speech are changed as per the object of the reporting verb. For example, I said to him, you have taken your turn. There are two pronouns in reporting speech, you and your, and they are second person pronoun. And we have learnt that second person pronoun changes as per the object of the reporting verb. Object is him. So you will change into he and your will change into his. And the sentence in the indirect speech, I told him that he had taken his turn. Rule 3. The pronouns of the third person in reporting speech undergo no change. For example, I said he cannot control his anger. Now students, the pronoun in the reporting speech is he, and he is a third person pronoun, so it will undergo no change. So again, first person pronoun changes as per the subject of the reporting verb. Second person pronoun changes as per the object of the reporting verb, and third person pronoun undergo no change. You can learn it with an acronym SON. The fifth step is change of tenses. Rules for change of tense. Rule 1. If reporting verb is in future tense or in present tense, then the reporting speech tense does not change. For example, Rajesh says she has brought a fair name to her family. Rajesh says that she has brought a fair name to her family. So we can see that the reporting verb says remains says, and the present perfect tense in the reporting speech does not change in the indirect speech. It remains the same. In the next example, I shall say I went to Agra on Monday. Here the reporting verb is in future tense. So the reporting speech tense will not change. It will remain the same. I shall say that I went to Agra on Monday. Students, in one more case, the tense in the reporting speech will not change, that is universal truth. In that case also, the tense will not change in reporting speech. Rule 2. If the reporting verb is in past tense, then reporting speech tense will change. Let's see. Simple present tense will change into simple past tense. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. The present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Simple past will change into past perfect. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Past perfect and past perfect continuous undergo no change. The future tense will and shall will change into would and should. May will change into might. Can will change into could, and must will change into had to. The last step is change of time related words or expressions. This will change into that. These will change into those. Here will change into there. Hence will change into thence. Now will change into then. Last night will change into the previous night. Thus will change into so. Ago will change into before. Just will change into then. Day before yesterday will change into the day before the previous day. Today will change into that day. Tomorrow will change into the next day. Yesterday will change into the previous day or the day before. Day after tomorrow will change into the day after the next day. So let us quickly revise the 6 important steps how to convert a direct speech into indirect speech. First was identify. Second, change of reporting verb. Third, replace comma inverted comma with that. Fourth one is change of pronouns. Fifth step is change of tense. Only if the reporting verb is past tense, then only there would be change of tense in reporting speech. And the last step is change of time related words. Let us understand with the example. First one, she said to me, I am playing football. The first step to convert direct speech into indirect speech is identify. What is the subject? She. Object is me. The reporting verb is said to. The pronoun I is first person. You is second person. And the tense of the reported speech is present continuous. The second step is change of reporting verb. The reporting verb said to will be changed into told. Comma and inverted comma will change into that. The fourth step is change of pronoun. You all know the acronyms SON. I will change into she. You will change into me. The fifth step is change of tense. If the reported verb is said to, which is past tense, now the tense of reported speech will change from present continuous to past continuous. So, am playing will convert into was playing. And sixth step is change of time specific word. So, noun will change into then. So, our sentence in indirect speech would be, she told me that she was playing football with me then. Let's see the second example. Ram said, Shyam, I started a new job. Identify the subject, which is Ram. Object is Shyam. Reporting verb is said. I is first person pronoun. Then started is simple past tense. And as said is in past tense, the tense in the reported speech would change. Second step, said will remain said. Third step, replace comma inverted comma with that. Fourth step, change of pronoun. I will change as per the subject as it is first person pronoun. Next step is change of tense. As a reported verb is in past tense, so there would be a change of tense in reported speech. Simple past will change into past perfect. So started will convert into had started. So the sentence would be Ram said Shyam that he had started a new job. So students, now you will practice sentence number 3 and 4. I hope you all have understood how to convert assertive sentences from direct speech into indirect speech. Thank you.